Yes, no, maybe. I don't know. Can you repeat the question? You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. Life is unfair.
What's up? It's me, Goggles. So this Ripperoo was just me in the yard, grilling, chilling, burning batteries and burgers over the weekend. I haven't got to fly much lately. I've been kind of like busy with like other life stuff, just kind of going on. But that's all cool stuff. But yeah, let's go watch this little ripperoonie around the Look at me, I don't do one take, so fuck. But yeah, we'll go watch this little ripperoonie around the yard while I'm grilling, hanging out, and just chilling. So, woo, yeah, let's go see it.
Overkill! 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 On your feet to feel the beat, it goes straight to your spine. Shake your head, it must be dead if it don't make you play. Don't sweat it, get it back to you. Hey! Don't sweat it, get it back
made it this far into the video, like super thank you, super duper thank you. I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel or like this video or anything like that. However, if you want, you don't have to. You can go check out the my little merch store down in the description. I'll have the link for that. But I mean, you don't gotta go check that out. It's like whatever. But yeah, it's a bunch of cool mecha retro goofy meme energy type clothing. Yeah, it's just shit I like that I can't find anywhere else. So yeah, you don't have to go do that, but I mean, it does kind of help the channel a little bit. FPV is getting expensive, so yeah, it helps me out if y'all buy something. But yeah, you don't have to. Unsubscribe from my channel, downvote this video, and don't go to my merch store. Love you guys. Bye.
Oh no, why? It's a fucking dinosaur!